Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that Lynne has $8 to spend on apples and oranges. Apples cost 65 cents each, and oranges cost 75 cents each. We're told there's no tax on this purchase and she buys 5 apples, and we're asked what is the maximum number of whole oranges she can buy. So if she's buying 5 apples, and they cost 65 cents each, she's spending 5 times 0.65, or $3.25 on apples. If she has $8 to spend in total, if she spends $3.25 on apples, that leaves her with $4.75 left to spend on oranges. They cost 75 cents each, so if we divide the total amount that she has left by 75 cents per orange, we get that she has enough money to buy 6.33 oranges. She can't buy a third of an orange though. The maximum number she can buy is 6, right? She has enough money to buy 6, plus a little bit more, but she doesn't have enough to buy 7, so 6 oranges is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.